The Xiaomi 18 Pro lineup is expected to debut in China this September. Ahead of the rumored launch, a new leak has revealed the battery details of the flagship Xiaomi 18 Pro Max. The Xiaomi 18 Pro Max will pack a battery with a capacity exceeding 8,000 mAh. Also said to support 100W wired charging and wireless charging. It appears Xiaomi is sticking to its guns and plans to continue with the rear screen design, as reportedly confirmed by Xiaomi President Lu Weibing on a livestream. Xiaomi will continue with the development of the rear screen. The company's next-gen flagship phones will be branded as the Xiaomi 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. Xiaomi plans to introduce more creative enhancements to the secondary display, likely in the form of expanded software features and improved interactivity. The rear screen could gain more functional control options, such as notification handling, camera viewfinder assistance, or contextual widgets. Xiaomi is testing a new 2K display for an upcoming Pro series that incorporates privacy display technology similar to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Xiaomi 18 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch flat Lipo OLED screen with extremely narrow symmetrical bezels. The Xiaomi 18 Pro Max is powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 SoC, which will be made using a 2nm process. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.